Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today, we're diving into something super practical for all you traders out there: how to take profit on eToro. If you're new to eToro or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, so you can lock in your gains without any hassle. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your eToro account. Once you're in, head over to the Portfolio section. This is where you'll see all your open positions. It's like your trading dashboard, giving you a clear view of what's performing and what's not. Now, let's talk about taking profit. The easiest way is by setting a take profit order. Simply click on the position you want to manage, and you'll see options for take profit. Here, you can enter the price at which you want to automatically sell your asset and secure your profits. For example, if you bought a stock at $50 and it hits $60, set your take profit at $60 to sell automatically. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, you can manually close the position. Just go to your open trades, select the one you're ready to exit, and hit the Close button. Remember, timing is everything in trading, so keep an eye on market trends and your overall strategy. One important tip: always consider fees and spreads when taking profit. eToro might charge a small spread or commission, so factor that into your calculations to ensure you're actually profiting. Also, double-check your risk management. Don't forget to set stop-loss orders alongside take profit to protect your capital. Wrapping this up, taking profit on eToro is straightforward once you get the hang of it. It helps you stay disciplined and avoid emotional decisions. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more trading tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.